Hello friends, we're going into the end of week trading for Friday, December 8th. Now the important thing to look for is on the economic calendar, and I'm going to point it out to you. Pre-market, the U.S. employment report is due out, and the forecast is for 190,000 jobs to be added to the economy. Now if this report is significantly higher than 190, it spells not great news for the stock market, because that would indicate that the Fed is going to be motivated to keep raising interest rates, or at least keep them high, and for a longer period of time. So this is an important number, but it doesn't mean that you should just jump into the market if the report is bad or if the report is good, because as always, we want to know the most important thing that every trader needs to know is, where is the market going? And so to determine where the market is going, I'm going to give you a hint. Now to do that, I'm going to go to my chart, and this is my 3-minute chart of the E-mini. Let's see, this is today, Thursday, December 7th. And trading started out, well, December 7th was really a setup for tomorrow, December 8th. I'm going to go back one day for Wednesday. And on Wednesday, the market traded, or at least began, right up at the top of our calculated Taylor trading zone and traded down through the trading zone. And if you caught the entire trade, it was good for about 30 points, so not too shabby. The Taylor calculator is usually pretty accurate when it comes to range. Now on Thursday was a little bit difficult, but it was a setup for what's happening on Friday. Now for those of you who have the Taylor calculator, you know what the range is for Friday. For those of you who don't, I'm going to give it to you. Here is the trading range for Friday, December 8th. And the market is, or at least the calculations are, for the market to have resistance at 46.01 and support down at 45.72. But all important is, where is the market going to go? Is it going to stay in the range? Is it going to take out the high of the year? Remember, the high of the year is 46.07. The forecast for the calculations is 46.01. Virtually the same. We can disregard the few points difference. But the important thing for you to watch for tomorrow is the intraday high or low. And remember, the intraday high or low is going to be put in within the first half hour to hour of the trading day. Now, if the employment report shows huge employment gains, much higher than 190,000, we can expect the market to trade down. If the employment report is around 190 or lower, we can expect better news. But nevertheless, we never know where the market is going to go. So really be careful and watch to find out where the intraday high or low is. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me go back to today for the giving you an indication of what to look for when I say the intraday high or low. The intraday high or low just means where the low of the market is for the day, or where the high of the market is. And as I said, it's usually put in within the first half hour to hour of the day. So here at 9:30, when the market opened, the prices were trading at around 45.77, vacillated up, went down a bit, but right over here at 9:48, the market put in a low at 45.69, almost 45.70. And is this the low of the day? We really don't know, because we need to be able to test it. And when did the test come? Right over here at 10:09. And here was the test. Here was the test where the market put in a low of 45.70.75. So 3/4 of a point higher than the low that was put in at 9:48. So this was the low that we could take to be the intraday low, meaning here at 10:09 would indicate that the market was going to trade higher because the low was put in earlier. So we could take this hammer, right? You can see this hammer, right, at 10:09. we can take that to be the signal that the intraday low had already been put in. And that's what we want to look for on Friday, tomorrow, regardless of the employment report comes in high or low. So that's my video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. And if you want to get the tailored trading range calculator and be able to plot the range for the day, every day, whether you're trading the E-minis or any other market, you can get it at my site at timelessdollar.com. Here's the link, timelessdollar.com. The link is right here on the nav bar or down at the bar at the bottom of the homepage. Again, trade safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.